here at the Chattahoochee Nature Center. As you know, we have a long-term relationship with the Nature Center. It's Fulton County land that we have an agreement with them to manage and operate, and wonderful place, full of opportunities for kids to come out and learn about nature, learn about animals, native animals and plants to our community, see the Chattahoochee River, and just really enjoy this wonderful, unique place right in the middle of suburbia.
Well, we have 127 acres of beautiful land here. And on the land, you have the ability to canoe, you have the ability to walk on the trails, you can be outdoors, you can be here with family, with friends. We have concerts, we have all kinds of activities for learning and for engagement with family and friends. So we want you to come.
This tour was put together by Commissioner Hausman, and it gave me an opportunity to see one of our legacy partners. We want to see some of the organizations that we actually support in the arts. And this has been a fabulous tour, walking tour, where we're standing right now on the deck, overlooks the lake. I'm excited about all the programs that are happening here, and I'm looking forward to our department doing even more in this area in terms of reaching young people and families when it comes to arts and culture.